So I'm here on this hill overlooking Cambridge, where there is a very big thunderstorm. I know you probably can't see it on the camera, but them lights over there is the airport. If any of you are familiar with Cambridge, then I guess you'll know where this is. I heard some loud rumbles of thunder up here. I'm still hearing some distant rumbles now. I haven't seen any lightning while I've been up here so far. I rode my bike up here. Bit risky, but you know, I took the risk. And it is raining. I am hot and sweaty. All round me, it's black sky. That is the colour of what it is in the camera. It is black, like that. I'm hearing rumbles over there. Whoa, that's coming from above me. Yeah, I don't know if I'll catch any lightning on here. It would be good if I could, but yeah, can't please everyone, I guess. It's funny, the one time you want lightning to happen and it never happens, but when you're inside, yes, it will always happen. It is risky being up here. I mean, I'm on a hill. I could get struck if I'm not careful. Ugh. All I want to see is one big bolt of lightning. It is constant lightning, like on the weather map. It is constant lightning. I just can't see it around here for some odd reason. It is 9:23 PM. It's quite pretty watching all the lights of the city twinkle, and it is very quiet. Yeah, I'm definitely hearing constant rumbles of thunder from over that way. Like, I think there's a city over there that has the thunderstorm. I think it's so far away you can't see the lightning, but you can hear the thunder. But I'm definitely hearing rumbles. Yeah guys, this is part 1. Be expecting the part 2, which I'll record if I see any action happen. So yeah, bye guys.